So to fix this problem, what you have to do is to try to search for your Snapchat. So when you find your Snapchat, use your finger to tap on it for some while, and you're going to see this pop up. So when you find this pop up, or when you see this pop up, what you have to do is to tap on this section over here. So just tap on it. And when you tap on it, you're going to be in the app info of Snapchat. So when you get over here, what you have to do is to tap on Foster. Tap on OK, tap on the click storage and cache or storage. You have to tap on the storage. Now, after tapping on the storage, what you have to do is to tap on the clear cache to clear the cache. Don't try to clear the storage for now. Just go back, then you tap on permissions and make sure you allow every permission. After doing this, what you have to do is to tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Make sure the background data is still good on. Then you go to notifications. Then you make sure the show notification is still good on. So after doing all this, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu and try to search for your Google Play Store. So when you find it, just tap on it to open it. So when you open it, what you have to do is to try to search in for Snapchat. When you find your Snapchat, just tap on it. When you tap on it, what you have to do is to tap on the updates over here. So after tapping on the updates, you are going to get the latest version of Snapchat. Sometimes when you don't update your Snapchat, it may affect your Snapchat. Yeah, it may affect it. Yes. So that's the reason why you always have to be updated on Snapchat. So after updating your Snapchat, tap on your power button for some while. Then now tap on restart. Then after that tap on OK, and you're going to see that your phone is going to be restart, or your phone is going to be reboot. It's going to turn off automatically and turn on, and the problem is going to fix after it has turned on. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next